Welcome back to Mr. English School. I'm Emily, your English coach and friend.
And I'm Sarah. Hi, everyone.
If you're learning English, today's video is super important. We're going to fix 20 common mistakes that beginners make every day. Oh no, 20 mistakes? I think I make all of them. Don't worry, Sarah, you're not alone. Everyone makes mistakes when learning English. Even me when I learned Spanish.
Really? Okay, then I feel better.
Good. So grab your notebook, relax, and let's learn together. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English School and click the bell, ding, so you never miss a lesson.
Yes, subscribe and let's fix our English together.
Okay, let's start with grammar mistakes. These are the small things that make a big difference. Mistake 1. He don't like pizza. Correct. He doesn't like pizza. Oh yes, I always say he don't like. That's super common. Remember, with he, she, it, we say doesn't, not don't. So, she doesn't like cats. It doesn't work. He doesn't drive. Exactly. Perfect repetition, Sarah. Everyone, repeat after us. He doesn't like pizza.
He doesn't like pizza. Got it.
Mistake 2. She very like coffee. Correct. She really likes coffee. We can't say very like, we say really like. Very goes with adjectives, like very hot, very cold. Really goes with verbs, really like, really enjoy. So, not, I very love music. Nope. Say, I really love music. I really love K-pop. Me too, especially BTS. Mistake 3. She is more better now. Correct. She is better now. You don't need more. Better already means more good. So, more better equals double? Yes, like saying extra more gooder. It sounds funny. Okay, got it. Only better. Mistake 4. He didn't went to work. Correct. He didn't go to work. This one is super common. After didn't, we always use the base form of the verb. So, didn't went X, but didn't go, check. Perfect. Say it again for practice. He didn't go to work. Nice. Mistake 5. She can to dance. Correct. She can dance. With can, we never use to. So, not I can to swim? Exactly. Just I can swim. Easy. I can remember that. Mistake 6. Open the light. Correct. Turn on the light. Sarah, do you say open the light?
Yes, in my language, we say that.
That's very common in many countries. But in English, we turn on the light and turn off the light. Turn on, turn off. Okay, so turn on the fan, turn off the TV. Exactly. Mistake 7. I'm boring. Correct. I'm bored. Oh, this one is funny. I'm boring means you make other people bored. What? Oh no. So if I say I'm boring, people think I'm not fun? Yes, haha. Say I'm bored when you feel bored. Okay. I'm bored, not I'm boring. Mistake 8. I'm agree. Correct. I agree. We don't need am, just I agree. Like, I agree with you. Exactly. Easy fix. Mistake 9. He is married with Anna. Correct. He is married to Anna. Oh, I always say married with. Many learners do. We say married to. John is married to Anna.
Got it. Married to, not married with.
Mistake 10. I'm waiting you. Correct. I'm waiting for you.
After wait, we use for.
I'm waiting for my friend. I'm waiting for the bus.
Perfect.
Mistake 11. I'm interesting in movies. Correct. I'm interested in movies. Interesting describes something. Interested describes you.
So movies are interesting, but I'm interested in movies.
Yes. Great job. Mistake 12. Let's discuss about this. Correct. Let's discuss this. We don't say discuss about. The word discuss already includes about.
Oh, like let's discuss our homework.
Exactly. Mistake 13. I didn't knew that. Correct. I didn't know that.
Ah, same rule as before. Didn't plus base form.
You got it. Repetition works. Mistake 14. I have visited Paris last year. Correct. I visited Paris last year. When we say a specific time, like last year, yesterday, we use past simple, not present perfect.
So, I visited Paris means the time is not important, right?
Yes, perfect understanding. Mistake 15. She is more taller than me. Correct. She is taller than me. No need for more. Taller already means more tall.
Right, more taller is like saying extra tall.
Exactly. Mistake 16. I'm good in math. Correct. I'm good at math. We say good at, not good in.
Okay, good at English, good at cooking. Perfect.
Mistake 17. Can you explain me this? Correct is, can you explain this to me? Explain needs to. You explain something to someone.
Like explain the rules to me?
Exactly. Mistake 18. I'm here since morning. Correct. I have been here since morning. Use have been for time that started in the past and continues now.
So not I'm here since, but I have been here since.
Yes. Mistake 19. I didn't saw him today. Correct. I didn't see him today.
Same rule again. Base form after didn't.
Nice memory. You're improving fast. Mistake 20. I'm looking forward to see you. Correct is, I'm looking forward to seeing you. After to in this expression, we use ing.
So, looking forward to meeting, looking forward to working.
Exactly. Practice time. Okay, everyone, now it's your turn. I'll say a sentence with a mistake. You fix it. Ready? Ready. Okay. 1. He don't like dogs. Wait 3 seconds. Correct answer? He doesn't like dogs. Good. 2. I'm boring. Wait 3 seconds. I'm bored. Yes. 3. Open the light. Turn on the light. Perfect. 4. I didn't went to school. I didn't go to school. Amazing. Last one. I'm looking forward to see you. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Great job, everyone. Clap for yourself. Bonus talk and small chat tip. Sarah, do you know what's one more mistake beginners make?
What?
They feel shy to speak English because they think mistakes are bad.
Oh, yes, I feel that sometimes.
But mistakes are not bad. They're your best teachers.
That's true. If I never make mistakes, I never learn.
Exactly. So be proud of your English journey.
Thanks, Emily. You always make English fun.
Aw, thank you, Sarah. All right, everyone. Today, we fixed 20 common mistakes in English, both grammar and speaking.
Yes, I learned so much today.
Let's quickly review a few. He doesn't like pizza. I'm bored. Turn on the light. I agree. I'm looking forward to seeing you.
Now it's your turn.
Exactly. Your challenge today. Write 2 sentences in the comments.
And we'll check your answers.
Yes, and don't forget, subscribe to Mr. English School, like this video, and share it with your friends who are learning English.
See you next time for more fun English lessons.
Bye, everyone, and remember, don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Bye-bye.